Male pattern baldness, also known as androgenetic alopecia, is an inherited trait. More than half of men over the age of 50 are affected. Although you can't always stop your hair from falling out as you get older, there are treatments and therapies that can help. Learn which supplements and tonics have shown promise in preventing or treating hair loss before you go out and buy them. This video does not replace a one-on-one relationship with a qualified healthcare professional or give medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Before beginning this plan, always get the opinion of your doctor or another experienced healthcare practitioner. As we get started, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications for more content. Here are 7 hair loss treatments to aid in hair growth. Number 1. Laser treatment. The inflammation in follicles that prevents them from regrowing is thought to be reduced by laser treatment. Although there are few trials to back up their usefulness in treating hair loss, a 2016 study published found that low-level laser treatment is safe and effective in treating male pattern hair loss. Laser combs are a more recent hair loss therapy option. These gadgets, according to proponents, enhance hair growth by stimulating hair follicles with focused light. This treatment has mixed effects and may be most effective when used in conjunction with other treatments. Number 2. Medication. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has approved 2 medications to treat hair loss. They are minoxidil and finasteride. Minoxidil appears to lengthen hair development, resulting in longer hair and a greater quantity of hair strands. Minoxidil has been demonstrated to be both safe and effective when used correctly. Finasteride is a medication that is used to treat male pattern baldness, which affects the crown and middle of the scalp. The usage of this medicine is accompanied by a number of cautionary statements. It is only appropriate for adults, it is not appropriate for pregnant or breastfeeding women and children. According to study, laser combs combined with minoxidil and finasteride were proven to help accelerate hair growth. We have left the link below for your convenience. Number 3. Quit smoking. Stop smoking if you do. If you smoke, you're certainly aware of the harmful impact smoking has on your lungs. Did you know, however, that smoking can lead to hair loss? A study of 1,000 men found that the majority of those who smoked reported some hair loss, compared to less than half of those who did not smoke. It's a good idea to quit smoking as soon as possible if you want to avoid hair loss. Number 4. Balanced diet. A well-balanced diet can help you maintain your hair's health. Ensure that your diet includes a wide variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, unsaturated fats, and lean proteins. Also, keep your sugar intake to a minimum. Healthy hair is linked to certain vitamins and minerals contained in food. Consider including the following: lean meat, beans, green leafy vegetables, iron-fortified cereals, and eggs are all good sources of iron. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, flax seeds, egg yolks, hemp seeds, and walnuts are all high in omega-3 fatty acids. Meals high in protein, such as eggs, lean meats, and shellfish are all high in protein, which stimulates hair growth. Last but not least, ensure that you are getting enough water. Number 5. Hair transplant. Follicular unit transplantation and follicular unit extraction are the 2 most common hair transplant methods. The more traditional method is FUT, follicular unit transplantation. It entails taking a strip of skin from the back of your scalp, removing the hair follicles from that strip of skin, and then reinserting the hair follicles into the area of your head where you're losing hair. With FUE, follicular unit extraction, it involves extracting hair follicles from the scalp and transplanting them to bald areas. Remember that both hair transplant procedures are considered surgeries, which means they can be costly and painful. Infections and scars are other possible side effects. To achieve the desired result, you may need to undergo numerous hair transplant treatments. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Number 6. Using oils. There is some evidence that peppermint oil can aid hair growth. Rosemary oil has also been utilized to improve blood circulation on the scalp in the past. Coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil are also widely recommended. The use of biotin is also great. Taking biotin supplements can slow hair loss. Check the link in the description for more. Biotin can also be found in foods such as nuts, eggs, onions, oats, and sweet potatoes. Lastly, reduce stress. Stress has a negative impact on the body, including the hair. A stressed lifestyle might lead to hair loss. The following are some stress reduction strategies: listening to music, exercising, yoga, meditation, and getting enough sleep. There are a variety of hair loss treatments you can attempt. Over-the-counter treatments, prescription drugs, hair implants, and home cures are among them. Consult your physician beforehand. A doctor may order several tests and ask questions to find out the cause of the hair loss. They can assist you in determining the reason of your hair loss and the best treatment option for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification for more content.